Hi guys, I wanted to give you an update on this week and kind of go over stuff. So this is week 2 of us working from home, and I think things are going okay for the most part. I see people doing stuff. We had to work through a few things that had to get worked out, but so far so good. This week we are starting Unit 5. It's Disease and Disorders in Schoology. We'll be talking a lot about small animal diseases this week, and then next week we'll do large animal diseases. And then there's a project that you do from home. So not too hefty of a week. There are a few things that I want to bring to mind. We are going to be doing some ICEV stuff. That seems pretty easy for you guys to do, easy for me to set up for you to do, and it covers what we need to cover. So if you're having trouble with ICEV, please let me know. Kendra has tried a different laptop, and that seems to be working for her. I have something else I can kind of try to do. So let me know if you're having trouble, an email or whatever. We do have a Zoom meeting at 1 o'clock on Tuesday, and that does count as your classroom time. I have to schedule so many minutes for you every day of work for this to count as school. So that does count. Our meeting does count. We can go over some things, get some questions answered. I do have to take attendance. So do the other teachers. So please make sure that you're checking to see when those meetings are. And I kind of like it. I like seeing you guys. I kind of miss you. So please make sure you're there 1 o'clock on Tuesday. So the self-evaluation for this week, there are a couple ways you can do the animal care part, and I may have missed some, so I'm going to go back through today and make sure I didn't miss any of the animal care portions. But you can either take a picture or video of you taking care of your own animal. You can watch those Facebook Live from the Cincinnati Zoo. Things that they do and write down 2 items that you learned. Or some of the things I was doing at school, the cats are kind of bored, and so I got some enrichment items for them to keep them entertained while we aren't there. And then with Lizardella, I kind of hung some leafy greens to see if she would reach up and kind of grab them and eat them. She hasn't so far, but I'm not giving up, so we'll see how that goes. So that is how you can fulfill your animal care portion, and then there are questions as well. So that still counts for 50 points for the week, so make sure you're doing that. So some of the things that you guys had mentioned that you were struggling with is getting up on time, getting up at a decent time. So I think last week was an adjustment week. So this week, let's try to get back into a routine. Routines are good. I slept in just a little bit, but I still get up in the AM, and I get my butt to the school and take care of the animals, and so I can get back home and answer any emails and do these Zoom meetings with you guys and stuff, and come up with stuff for next week. So please make sure you're setting a routine for yourself. I think students do better when they are in a routine. I do know that some of you are taking care of your siblings, so keeping them in a routine. Kids do better when they are in a routine. Violet does better when she is in a routine. She likes her routine. So setting up, wake up time, school time, while you're doing your schoolwork, have them do theirs. I think most schools are off spring break, so it's time to get back to school. So setting up some time for breaks too. Get outside, get some sunshine, some vitamin D in your body, and play with your animals. I'm sure that they are loving having you guys home. So kind of set up some structure, especially if you got little ones. They need to work on their letters and numbers too, I'm sure. So hang in there. Make sure you set up some break time for you, but then get back to it. Don't break too long. And let me know if you need anything. You can always email me or text or whatever. I am here for you. Miss Brown is here for you too. So, all right, I'll see you guys. Hang in there. Hopefully we'll see each other soon. Bye.